Billy, what are you doing? Eating macaroni and cheese drunk? I see you taking big ass gulps of it. Sitting over there eating like a damn war hog. Look at that gut, man. Damn, fuck, man. What the hell? Go ahead and finish your eating. But you know what? What I buy that stove for? I didn't buy it for no damn kitchen table. That fucking kitchen table is what it's for. You eat at this table. Thank you. Go ahead, finish eating. I'm not trying to bug you. I'm just saying, eat at the table. Damn, eating like a fucking war hog. Glad I got that. Yeah. It was like...
Not yet.
Not yet, but I don't eat like that, buddy. Not no war hog sound.